Are you ready for math class this year? If you're taking calculus this year, get ready to become best friends with your calculator. In all my years taking and teaching math classes, I've only ever used TI-84s. But there's this super fun Facebook group for AP calculus teachers, and they're always talking about the TI Inspire. And I gotta say, I've always been kind of jealous. Well, guess what? Texas Instruments sent me one, and probably some other stuff. This feels a little heavier than I'd expect the TI Inspire to be. Moment of truth. Oh my gosh. Are you ready for this? It's so cute. I'm literally obsessed. All right, I need you all to help me name her. It had this attached to it. Okay, I should probably get to the actual calculator. But first, what in the world? Texas Instruments ribbon. Oh my gosh. There's stickers. They're so cute. Okay, what's this? It's a planner. My two favorite things, planners and math. I'm guessing the calculator is in this box. She's so beautiful. Look, TI Inspire earrings. Now I have TI Inspire and TI-84 earrings. They're these little patches. There's a card. They're so sweet. They knew I was moving, so they said have a good school year and a good move. So many stickers. Make math happen. Live math love. Math love is infinite. Math pals for life. A sign of true love. There she is. I'm actually so excited to learn how to use this. There's literally an entire keyboard down here. If any of you have questions about the TI Inspire, I also don't know the answers, but ask me because I'm excited to find them out too. But that's not all apparently. Oh my gosh. Like, look how cute that is. And that's not all. This is so soft. Oh my gosh. Okay, costume change. Oh, it is absolutely just as comfy as it looks. Even more stickers. Is it weird if I put one of these on my car? People are gonna think I'm such a nerd. And they're right. Last but not least, eat, sleep, math, repeat. How kind of them to put my life's motto on a poster. If I'm in a TI Inspire mood, I put it this way. If I'm in a TI-84 mood, I can put it this way. I'm putting these earrings in right now. All right, I'm very excited to go try out this new TI Inspire. Have a math-tastic day.